Okay, welcome to this video on how to check grades and assignments. So, when you are in class link, your P will be a rainbow and it will say student under here. So go ahead, click that link and you will get to the next page. Now, from this page, we can do two things. We can see grades and attendance and standards grades. Most of you click this one. You click it, and it will take you to this next page. This is where we see our grades for each quarter, and F1 means the final grade. This is the grade that's most important, okay? So maybe you missed a couple assignments, maybe you're behind quarter two, you had some performances or whatever, and on this page, it will see standards. This page is really only good for looking at your overall grade. So when you ask your teacher about standards, in math, standards go across several units. So your teacher is not going to know exactly which standard is which. But you go here first to see what your grade is. And you say, oh, I need to do something about my grade because we're in quarter two. So I need to go ahead and bring my grade up for the semester. So this is what you do. You click the back arrow to go back to the previous page. When you get back here, this is grades and attendance again. Okay, so for whatever quarter, we're currently in quarter two, so you want to click this I to get to the next page. And this is what the next page looks like. Here's a list of all the assignments. I think it should be for the entire class. So what you want to do is scroll up or down, or however you consider it. I would consider scrolling down to read down the list. But some people physically say scrolling up because their finger goes up. So whichever way you want to look at it is fine. Now, in math class, a green score has a 2 or 3. An orange score means something is missing, that's a 0. And a blue score is a 1, so that needs to be fixed. And if you're unsure, you can always click this rectangle right here. When you click this rectangle, now we can see the scores for individual assignments. So you see the blues have a score of a 1, and the oranges have a score of a 0. And this green has a score of a 2, and this green has a score of a 3. So this is how we check. What's most important, when you click that one page with the scores, the grades and scores on it, you look at your score, you say, I don't like my score. You go back, you click grades and attendance, click the I next to your teacher's name so that you can look at the list of assignments that need to be completed, that you missed, that you might need to fix or work on. And this is how we check our grades from the assignment list. Because if you ask your teacher about a standard, they're going to not know what exact standard. So you got a low score in a standard. Some standards go across units. So standards grades don't really mean much unless the standard was only assessed once or twice. Then the teacher may remember. But when it comes to math, there are over 30 standards that's tested or quizzed or made assignments from. So the teacher is not going to know what particular standard you're referring to. So please, click the link for grades and attendance, click the I next to your teacher's name, and pull up the list of assignments so you can see which assignments have which scores next to them. And then I'm sure if you click this view, you should be able to see the standard under each assignment. Oh, well, now here's the standard right here. When you open up the yellow box, the standard pops up, and that's what the score is. Thanks you for watching this video.